Jai Hind and welcome to our students. Saraswati Shiksha Kunj, Bhagwada, Bhursal, Standard Second, Subject EVS, English Medium, Date 5 August 2020, Day Wednesday. Students, I hope you fine and healthy with your family. Today, students, we are going to learn the chapter number 7, Good Manners. Good Manners, Part 1. Okay? Students, today we are going to have a story session. Yes, today we are going to have a small story session. So let's see. So students, this is the story about one naughty boy. He always used these types of words like I want it now, I don't care, give me. Okay. So this is the story about one naughty boy. Now let's start the story. The name of the story is Be polite. Be polite means we have to behave well, right? Behave well. Once there was a boy named Harry. Okay, there was a boy. His name was Harry. He was an angry boy. He always be angry. He was often rude with people around him. Okay, the people around him, he always behaved rudely with them. Harry didn't like polite with people. He did not want to be a polite boy. His parents and teachers often lectured him about using words like thank you, sorry, please, etc. His parents, his teachers always taught him to be a good boy and use this type of word like sorry, please, thank you. But it is all in vain. However, nothing they said or did affected him. It did not affect on him. Whenever he wanted something, he would simply snatch it. Okay? If anyone asked him something, he would simply make fun of the other person. He would simply make fun of the other person. Okay? If someone asks him for something, he always make fun of them. One day he was playing with his cat. Okay, one day he was playing with his cat. At that time, an old woman was passing by his house. Okay, one old woman passing by his house. She requested to Harry to give her directions. She did not know the particular house, so she asked him about that particular directions. But Harry replied rudely, "Can't you see, old woman? Go away." He replied rudely with that woman. What he said? "Can't you see, old woman? Go away." Hearing this, an old woman cursed Harry. After hearing this, the old woman cursed him. Okay, what did she curse? From now on, whatever rude word you utter would leave an ugly scar on your face. Okay, from now onwards, if you speak anything, an ugly scar would leave on your face. Harry continued to play with his cat. He continued to play with his cat. But what happened? Suddenly, the cat jumped and scratches his forehead. The cat jumped and scratches his forehead. This type of incidents happen with him many times. This type of incidents means he wounded many times. Okay. Harry started thinking about those incidents why did this happen? Okay, he started thinking that why did this happen again and again with me? So he was angry that every time he said something rude, it hurt. He started to thinking that when he was angry, that at that time an ugly scar he gets on his face. Then he realized his mistakes. Then he realized his mistake that I have done wrong with other people. Then he decided to be a good boy. Okay. Then afterwards he became a good boy. And he realized his mistake. Then he became a good boy. And then he used to he used the verse says, please, sorry, my mistakes, etc. So this way he became a good boy. Now students, see this picture. What is he doing? He is gesturing, or you can say teasing, right? See, what is this boy doing? He is fighting with this girl for ball. This boy, they are fighting with each other. Okay? You can see here, he is not listening to his mother. Okay? And this boy is kissing this animal. So these all are bad manners. We don't have to tease someone. Okay? We don't have to fight with our parents, our friends, or our brother and sister. Okay? So these all are bad manners. If we want to improve ourselves, then what we have to do? See here. This is an ideal boy. So we have to follow this types of steps. Okay. Good boy. Okay. An ideal boy. Wake up early in the morning. Okay. Give respect to their father and mother, elders. Okay. Go for walk. Okay. Brushing teeth every day. Take bath every day. Worship God. Okay. Study well in school. Okay. Eat in time. Help to others. Right. Play with his friends. Okay. Be a good man and help to others. So this is an ideal boy. So we have to follow this type of step if you want to be a good boy. Students, these are some words. It will help you to be a good boy. See here. Be a good friend. Be a good friend. Raise your hand. Clean up. Do not interrupt when someone speaks. Do not interrupt them. Okay. Be kind. Okay. Help to others. Okay. Don't yell. Don't shout. Help others. Okay. Share. If you bring something, then share with your friends. Be a good listener. Okay. Greet to others saying hello, how are you? Okay. Say please and thank you when you give something. Okay. When you take something, say thank you. Okay. Take turns. If you are playing, wait for your turn. Okay. Follow rules. Okay. Then stand in a queue. Okay. In school, when you go, stand in a queue. Now these are also some words. It will help you to be a good boy. Please use this type of words. Please, thank you, excuse me, you are welcome. Okay. No sir, may I? Nice to meet you. If you meet someone, use nice to meet you. Yes ma'am, I am sorry. Okay, this type of words, it will help you to be a good boy. Okay students, now let's learn in detail about chapter number 7, good manners. See this. Following good manners is being polite and treating everyone with respect. Okay, if you follow good manners, okay, if you follow good manners, then you will become a polite man, and you will treating everyone with respect. Okay, you give respect to everyone if you follow good manners. Okay, having bad manners is being rude, naughty, and noisy. If you follow bad manners, then what will you become? You will become a naughty boy. Naughty boy means disobedient boy. Okay, rude means not to. Okay, dispolite. Okay, rude means dispolite, not having politeness. Okay, so if you follow bad manners, you will become a naughty boy and noisy. Okay, now let's learn in detail. Read this story. Okay, this is the story about also. This is the also story about one naughty boy. So the title of this story is The Three Friends. Okay, the three friends. These boys have three friends. Which are they? We'll see in the story. Ken had started to speak when he was 2 years old. When he was 2 years old, when he was small, okay, when he was 2 years old, he started to speak. His mother taught him politeness and to use words such as please, sorry, and thank you. Okay, when he was a small boy, his mother taught him. What taught him? Politeness, to become a good boy, how to become polite. Okay, and to use words as such as, which word his mother taught him? So please, sorry, and thank you. This type of word his mother taught him. Politeness and the words like please, sorry, and thank you. This type of words his mother taught to Ken. After Ken turned 5, he started to be rude and stubborn. Okay, when he was 5 years old, he became a rude and stubborn boy. Rude means, as I told you, impolite or bad manner. Okay, and stubborn means not to change one's own attitude. Okay, not listening to everyone. Okay, so that is called a stubborn. Okay, so after Ken turned 5, he started to be rude and stubborn. When he was 5 years old, he became a rude and stubborn boy. Now then he used the words like, give me, I want it now, I don't care. See here, I don't care, I want it now, and give me. If he wants anything, give me. He used these words like, give me, I want it now only, I don't care. If he says something advice, if he gives someone advice, he said, I don't care. Okay, so this type of words he used after he was 5 years old. This type of give me, I want it now, I don't care were the only words that he spoke most of the time. He used this type often. Okay, most of the time he used this type of words. That give me, I want it now, I don't care. Okay, most of the time he spoke this word. These words were tired of being used all the time. This type of word he became tired being used all the time. One day Ken wanted some biscuits. One day he was hungry, so he wanted some biscuits. So he wanted to say, give me biscuits, but the word give refused to come to his lips. Okay, he wanted biscuits, but give me biscuits. Okay, the word give that he forgot. It is out of his mind. Refused to come to his lips. Ken tried hard to say it. He was trying a lot. Okay, but the words just would not come out. He wanted some biscuits. Okay, but the word give did not come on his lips. So he forgot to speak this. He forgot to speak this word that give. Okay, but the word just would not come out. It would not come Okay, now let's quick check. Name the words which Ken's mother taught him to use. Now tell me students, which words Ken's mother taught him? The answer is please, sorry and thank you. These types of word, when he was 2 years old, his mother taught him these types of word, please, sorry and thank you. Okay, now students, remaining chapter we will learn in part 2. Let's see what will happen in part 2. Thank you. Okay students, now tell me what did we learn in part 1? Yes, we learned the story about one naughty boy. We learned the story about one naughty boy named Harry. Okay, he was a disobedient boy. He was not listening to everyone. Okay, he always replied angrily. One day, an old woman passed by to his house. Then she asked him go to a particular direction. Then he replied rudely. Then what happened? She cursed him. Then he realized. Then 2 or 3 bad incidents happened with him. Then he realized his mistakes. Then he became a good boy. Then we learned the hard words of part 1. We learned the hard words like manner, okay, rude, naughty, stubborn, polite. Okay, then we learned about good mannered boy, good mannered boy, and bad mannered boy. Good mannered boy always respectfully, okay, give respect to others, okay, share his things with everyone. Bad mannered boy do not give respect to everyone, okay, reply always rudely, okay, do not share his things with others. Then we learned about in detail chapter number 7. That was about the story about one boy named Ken. He was also a naughty boy like Harry. When he was 2 years old, his mother taught him politeness. After 5 years, he became a good and stubborn boy. One day he wanted some biscuits. Then what will happen we will see in next chapter. So students, I hope you understood the whole part 1. Okay. If you don't understand the video, see the video 1 time, 2 time, more than 2 time. Okay. If you see the video, then you will get the answer for worksheet. So see the video